Hello everyone. Welcome you all on this online study platform. I hope you all are doing well. I am here to teach you mathematics of class 3. Today we will study chapter 3, that is Roman numerals. Students, have you ever noticed two types of numbers on the clock face? Here in this figure you can see two types of clocks are given. One numbers in Hindu Arabic and the other numbers in Roman. In this clock you can see the numbers are given in Hindu Arabic number system, and in this clock you can see this 1 is written in this, 2 is written like this, and 3 is written like this. These all are called Roman numbers. Let us understand. Introduction. The numerals we use today are called the Hindu Arabic numerals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These numerals were developed by the people of ancient India and Arab people. That is why these numbers are called Hindu Arabic numerals, which I can show you in this clock. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These numbers are given in Hindu Arabic. In the same time, Roman people had a different number system, which is called as Roman numerals. As I can show you in this clock, the numbers are given in Roman number system. So, to write Roman numbers, we use 7 symbols, namely I, V, X, L, C, D and M. With the help of these 7 symbols, we can write any Hindu Arabic numerals. Let us understand these 7 symbols. In this given table, you can see two types of number system are given: Hindu Arabic numeral and Roman numeral. The Hindu Arabic numeral 1 is written as I. The Hindu Arabic numeral 5 can be represented as symbol V. The Hindu Arabic numeral 10 is represented as symbol X. The Hindu Arabic numeral 50 is represented as symbol L. The Hindu Arabic numeral 100 is represented as symbol C. Similarly, 500 is represented as D and 1000 is represented as symbol M. So, with the help of these 7 symbols, we will write Hindu Arabic numeral. Let us understand about some rules. To write any Hindu Arabic numeral in Roman number system, we should know some rules. Rule number 1. Repetition of symbol means addition. Means when a symbol is repeated, we will do addition. Example, I. Here I is repeated 2 times. So we will add I up to 2 times. The value of I is 1. So we will add 1 up to 2 times. That is 1 plus 1. The answer will come 2. Next example is I. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer will come 3. Note down one thing, symbols I and X can be repeated only 3 times. It means the symbol I and X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. You can see here the example x, x, x. This x is repeated 3 times. So we will add this x up to 3 times. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. The answer will come 30. But remember, these value of I and x can be repeated up to only 3 times. Rule number 2. There is no concept of place value system in Roman number system. As you study in Hindu-Arabic numerals, if a number is given as 123, if you have to find the place value of this 2, you will give the answer 20. But in Roman number system, we don't have any such place value system. Next is, there is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. Means 0 has no symbol in Roman system. Rule number 3. Symbol V cannot be repeated more than once. Example, I, V. Answer will come 4. If we take example VV, so according to rule number 1, V is repeated 2 times. We will add V up to 2 times. Value of V is 5. We will add this 5 up to 2 times and the answer will come 10. But as we know, in this chart, the value of 10 is x. And here in this question, the value of VV will come 10. So, according to that chart, the value of 10 will be x. And here VV is coming 10. It means this is wrong. It means V cannot be repeated more than 2 times, because for any number there is no 2 symbols. That is, the value of 10 is x, and if we will write the value of 10 VV, it will come 2 symbols, and there is no 2 symbol for a single number. It means this VV is wrong. Next, rule number 4. When a smaller number is on the left of the greater number, then subtract the smaller number from the greater. Example, IV. According to this rule, this I is kept left to the bigger number V. So we will subtract the smaller number from the greater. That is why here we are subtracting 1 from 5. The answer will come 4. It means IV is represented as 4. Let us take another example, that is IX. Here I is the smaller to the value x and it is kept to the left of x. So according to this rule, we will subtract here. We will subtract a smaller number from the greater. So we will subtract here 1 from 10. The answer will come 9. Rule number 5. When a smaller number is on the right of the greater number, then add the smaller number to the greater. Let us take some examples. VI. I is the smaller number to the greater number V. I is kept on the right side of the greater number v. So according to this rule, we will add this smaller number to the greater. It means we will add 1 to the greater number 5. We will get the answer 6. xi. I is smaller than the x. I is kept to the right side of the greater number x. Then we will add this smaller number to the greater number. We will add 1 to the greater number 10 and the answer will come 11. I hope you all understood these 5 rules. Now let us solve some questions based on these rules. Question number 1. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following. First question is A. XII. According to rule number 5, if a smaller number is kept to the right of the greater number, then we will do addition. Here, smaller number I is right side of the x. So, we will do addition here, 10 plus 1. Because I is repeated 2 times, therefore, according to rule number 1, we will add this I 2 times. So, the answer will come 10 plus 1 plus 1. The answer will come 12. Question number B. XVI. According to that rule 5, the smaller number v is kept to the right side of x. Then we will add 10 to 5. Again, a smaller number I is kept right side of the bigger number v. Then we will add this I in 5. That is, we add 1 in 5. The answer will come 16. Next question, XIX. After x, a smaller number is given. So according to rule number 5, we will do addition after 10. But according to rule number 4, smaller number is kept to the left of the bigger number. So we will do subtraction. We will subtract the smaller number 1 to the bigger number 10. So the answer will come 10 plus 9, that is 19. I think all questions are clear. Now coming to the next question, question number 2. Which of the following are meaningless? V. As we have already discussed in rule number 3, symbol V cannot be repeated more than once. So we have already discussed VV is equal to 10, which is wrong. So in this question number 2, VV is meaningless. Question number B is XII. Here after X, I is repeated 4 times. But according to rule number 1, I can be repeated only 3 times. It means here I is repeated 4 times, that is meaningless. Question number next, XXIV. After X, one more X is given, that is X is repeated 2 times. So according to rule number 1, we will add 10 2 times. After X, I and V is given. According to rule number 4, when a smaller number is kept left to the bigger number, we do subtraction. So we will subtract the smaller number 1 from the bigger number 5. The answer will come here 10 plus 10 plus 4, that is 24. So the value of this Roman number is coming 24, and this is not meaningless. So we have solved the questions according to the rules. Now, with the help of these rules, solve exercise 2. Thank you.